Photography, meaning the art or practice of taking and processing photographs. Synonyms: picture taking, photo, art, imaging. Sentence: she has a keen interest in photography and loves capturing nature scenes. Here, meaning in, at, or to this place or position. Synonyms: in this place, at this location, present. Sentence: please come here and see this beautiful painting. Principal, meaning the most important or senior person in an organization or institution. Synonyms: main, chief, head. Sentence: the school principal addressed the students during the assembly. Abandon, meaning to give up completely a course of action, a practice, or a way of thinking. Synonyms: forsake, desert, leave. Sentence: they had to abandon the sinking ship to save their lives. Direction, meaning a course along which someone or something moves. Synonyms: route, course, path. Sentence: she asked for directions to the nearest coffee shop. Floor, meaning the lower surface of a room on which one may walk. Synonyms: ground, decking, surface. Sentence: he swept the kitchen floor after dinner. Frog, meaning a small tailless amphibian with a short squat body, moist smooth skin, and very long hind legs for leaping. Synonyms: amphibian, toad, anurin. Sentence: the frog jumped into the pond with a splash. Water, meaning a transparent, odorless, tasteless liquid, a compound of hydrogen and oxygen, H2O, that is essential for most plant and animal life. Synonyms: aqua, H2O, liquid. Sentence: make sure to drink plenty of water during the hot summer days. Worker, meaning a person who does a specified type of work or who works in a specified way. Synonyms: employee, laborer, staff member. Sentence: the factory workers went on strike for better wages. Attend, meaning to be present at an event, meeting, or function. Synonyms: be present, go to, participate in. Sentence: she plans to attend the conference next week. Home, meaning any of the pieces of hard, whitish tissue making up the skeleton in humans and other vertebrates. Synonyms: skeleton part, osseous material. Sentence: he broke a bone in his arm while playing soccer. Foundation, meaning the lowest load-bearing part of a building, typically below ground level. Synonyms: base, footing, underpinning. Sentence: the foundation of the house was laid last month. Teaching, meaning the occupation, profession, or work of a teacher. Synonyms: education, instruction, pedagogy. Sentence: teaching is a rewarding profession that shapes future generations. Stupid, meaning lacking intelligence or common sense. Synonyms: foolish, unintelligent, dumb. Sentence: it was a stupid mistake to leave the keys in the car. Postwar, meaning occurring or existing after a war, especially World War II. Synonyms: after the war, subsequent to war, peacetime. Sentence: the post-war economy saw significant growth and development. Presume, meaning to suppose that something is the case based on probability. Synonyms: assume, suppose, take for granted. Sentence: I presume you're coming to the party tonight? Passive, meaning accepting or allowing what happens or what others do without active response or resistance. Synonyms: inactive, submissive, non-resistant. Sentence: he remained passive throughout the heated debate. Cloud, meaning a visible mass of condensed water vapor floating in the atmosphere, typically high above the ground. Synonyms: vapor, mist, nebula. Sentence: the sky was filled with dark clouds signaling an approaching storm. Coordination, meaning the organization of the different elements of a complex body or activity so as to enable them to work together effectively. Synonyms: organization, management, harmonization. Sentence: the success of the project required careful coordination among all team members. Southern, meaning situated in the south or directed toward or facing the south. Synonyms: southward, southerly. Sentence: they traveled to the southern part of the country for their vacation. And there you have it. 20 everyday words with their meanings, synonyms, and example sentences. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. See you in the next video where we'll explore even more amazing words in the English language.